Right, here's a microscopic school in soldering in 1 minute or less. It's good to have an extra pair of hands. You can buy them. You need solder wire on the tip of your soldering iron. This helps spread the heat, but just a little bit. This is too much. Don't heat your soldering wire. Instead, heat the thing that you're trying to solder and make the soldering wire melt on that one. You might need to touch the tip a bit, but the main job should happen here, not here. If you want to solder two pieces of wire together, you can prepare them with soldering first, and then put them together, one in each extra hand, and put them next to each other and solder them. If you're trying to solder a wire onto a component, it might be good to put the heat mainly on the wire, as this will spread more heat in the wire and less heat in the component. And the component is the part that breaks most easily.